Okay, just got our first mow in here in the backyard. Cuts pretty well. Not going to be able to get to it today. We got to go back home. It's about to storm. We have our septic guy. We met the septic guy out here, and we set up the septic tank on the back of the house. The fun part was we have a new dirt pile for the kids. We've got this is a 24 by 24 slab. It's a 4-inch slab for a metal building. So this is going to be where the garage is, off the back of the house. Exciting stuff. They should have this up next week, and the septic in next week. So it's June 16th here. So yeah, hopefully we'll be in here shortly. Let's see. We can see the front of the house for you. This tree, still haven't trimmed it. There's a better look front of the house. All right, things coming along. One persistent problem. Actually, the ruts where I was at was not so bad when I was mowing, but I don't know how I'm gonna do out here. These giant ruts. I have a problem and I need to fix it. And septic guy said if it keeps raining, he's not gonna be able to make it through the mud, so it's a problem. All right, see you guys later.